Little Corinne woke up with a loud sneeze, surprising her with colorful confetti everywhere. At school, the worried teacher asked who is having a party here, everyone, with a curious gaze. Corinne raised her hand excitedly, but before she could speak, she sneezed again, ATCHIM. More confetti flew out and everyone laughed, turning the classroom into a grand carnival scene. The principal appeared, looking worried, and asked what was happening in the classroom quietly. All the children fell silent as Corinne, smiling, said, "I think I have acute confetitis, sir." Just then she sneezed again, ATCHIM. More confetti filled the corridor, brightening the day. The principal, now smiling, said, "Let's dance." It was the most festive day at school ever.